Sent, the 1st of December 2022, 13:50. 2. Bradford County, Inquiries. Subject, Manningham Housing Association v. Hussein and Hussein hearing the 30th of November 2022. Dear Bradford County, Inquiries. Please can I ask the courts to inquire from Judge Wilcox if she will grant permission for me to appeal the court ruling of yesterday. Given I believe a clear abuse of power, procedure, and protocol has taken place at yesterday's hearing, as an external non-party, namely CBMDC, was permitted to hijack proceedings at the last hour of what were meant to be a final contested repossession proceedings by the Housing Association, to permit the promotion of CBMDC's own agenda to advantage themselves in concurrent ongoing Court of Protection proceedings. Furthermore, the patronizing, condescending, and belittling manner I was spoken to by Judge Wilcox was nothing short of rude, shameful and disrespectful, but equally nothing new to me. Given my experience and understanding of what was really taking place during the hearing of looking to railroad through a pre-purchased and predefined outcome through the private commissioning of the judiciary to aid and abet the local authority CBMDC's own goals, aims and objectives, and overriding nefarious narrative to vilify and victimize me as an easy scapegoat for all their own failures in adult social care and the systemic and endemic corruption pervasive at the heart of the local council. In any event, I shall be seeking to appeal the order of yesterday. Given the penal notice clearly violates both me and my brother's fundamental human rights and dignity and looks to expose us to serious risk of harm. The judge's Freudian slip regarding CBMDC as the true commissioners of the upcoming requested mental capacity assessment was more indicative of the truth than anything else which took place during yesterday's hearing. Regards Mr. S. Hussein. On Thursday, the 1st of December 2022, 1528 Bradford County, Inquiries, wrote. Dear Mr. Hussein. Your email was placed before District Judge Wilcox as requested, who has made the following comment. Mr. S. Hussein did not request permission to appeal my case management decisions during yesterday's hearing. Any application for permission to appeal lies to a circuit judge of this court and must be sought within 21 days of the date of the hearing. Mr. Hussein is directed to Part 52 of the Civil Procedure Rules. Regards. T. Hopkinson. Listing and Civil Orders Team. Sent, the 1st of December 2022, 17:40. 2. Bradford County, Inquiries. Dear Bradford County, Inquiries. Please can you provide me with the name of the circuit judge whom I should look to address my appeal application to, and also please attach in reply the appropriate appeal form I need to fill in. Inevitably I shall also be needing a transcription of yesterday's hearing. Please can you look to forward my following comments to Judge Wilcox. I did not ask for permission to appeal the decision at the hearing as the opportunity was not afforded to me. The judge had only sought to inquire from the claimant's party if there was any other issues before abruptly ending the hearing, where I had suffered a grueling ordeal and a grilling, as it was evident to me that my very presence in court as a litigant in person was evidently contemptuous to the judge. She would not dare speak to any of her legal professionals in such a bullying, intimidating and prejudicial manner I had been spoken down to at the hearing, where I for my part had been both courteous and respectful throughout to the judge. But as I have said it before, such contrived bully boy tactics seem to be the standard practice and have become the norm when it comes to my unique circumstances and situation. Regards Mr. S. Hussein. On Friday, the 2nd of December 2022, 11:47 Bradford County, Inquiries, wrote. Dear Mr. Hussein. Please find attached the forms required to file an appeal and request for a transcript. Please send application to the county court will either a court fee of £151 or EX 160 help with fees form. Your application will be issued and forward to HHJ Gosnell for further directions. I have forwarded your email to District Judge Wilcox, but please note District Judges does not enter into litigation by correspondence. I am sorry but I cannot comment on judicial actions, but if you wish to complain about District Judge Wilcox's conduct you may make that complaint online via this link. Kind regards. Tracy Hutchinson. Listing and Civil Orders. Sent, the 5th of December 2022, 12:28. 2. Bradford County, Inquiries. Dear Bradford County, Inquiries. Please can you look to place this email before DJ Wilcox for her consideration to assist in drafting the order of the 30th of November 2022. Given my intentions to pursue an appeal against what was being ordered. Upon the courts being informed that the first defendant intends to pursue an appeal against the order of today and has sought permission to do so. And upon the first defendant being advised by the court that they have a right to do so, provided that they seek permission to lodge any appeal within 21 days. It is ordered that today's order shall be stayed until 4 p.m. on the 21st of December 2022. if by 4 p.m. on the 21st of December 2022, a successful appeal application has been received by the courts and lodged, then this order shall remain stayed until such time as the appeal process has been finalized, after which time the order may take effect if the appeal is unsuccessful. Upon the order taking effect following an unsuccessful appeal, then the claimant is restricted from arranging a mental capacity assessment from the second defendant by the following individuals or organizations due to a conflict of interest. 1. Dr. Nicholas Todd. 2. Anyone working for or associated with, whether directly or indirectly, with Bradford Council. 2. Anyone working for or associated with, whether directly or indirectly, with Office of the Public Guardian, OPG. 3. Anyone working for or associated with, whether directly or indirectly, with Bradford District Care Trust. 4. TFS Consultancy. 5. Experts in Mind. 6. Neely Support Services. I believe the above caveats are necessary to be included in the order of the 30th of November 2022. To ensure I am afforded an opportunity to pursue an appeal and to ensure that there is no conflict of interest in the concurrent Court of Protection, COP proceedings. If a mental capacity assessment is to be arranged and carried out by the claimant, Manningham Housing Association, MHA. Regards, Mr. S. Hussain. On Monday, the 5th of December 2022, 1241 Bradford County, Inquiries, wrote. Dear Sir. Further to your email below, please be advised that you will need to complete sections 9 and 10 of the N161 form. These deal with the parts of the order you wish to appeal and also request a stay of any order you are appealing. Your email below will just be placed on the court file. Kind regards. Debbie Barrett. Listing and Civil Orders. Sent, the 5th of December 2022, 12:54. 2. Bradford County, Inquiries. Dear Bradford County, Inquiries, Debbie Barrett. I understand regarding the appeal aspect, but there still remains the matter of a further issue of a conflict of interest which the courts and parties need to be made aware of. If the mental capacity assessment is to be undertaken as the order directs, I believe the caveat of the restrictions of whom can carry out the mental capacity assessment still need to be included in the order of the 30th of November 2022. Please can you, therefore, look to place this email before DJ Wilcox rather than simply placing it on the court file. Regards, Mr. S. Hussain. On Monday, the 5th of December 2022, 1359 Bradford County, Inquiries, wrote. Dear Sir. Further to the email below regarding the conflict of interest, this should be either raised in any appeal lodged or alternatively any formal application to vary an order you may wish to make. Your email has been placed on the court file, but no further action will be taken in response to it. Kind regards. Debbie Barrett. Listing and Civil Orders. Sent, the 5th of December 2022, 14:11. 2. Bradford County, Inquiries. Dear Bradford County, Inquiries, Debbie Barrett. Please can you tell me how much is it going to cost for me to vary the order and what application form do I need to fill in to have the order varied? Regards, Mr. S. Hussain. On Monday, the 5th of December 2022, 14:30 Bradford County, Inquiries, wrote. Dear Sir. The form you need to complete is RN 244 and the fee is £275 unless you are on low income or benefits, then you can apply for help with fees on a Form EX 160. Both forms can be accessed on the internet. Kind regards. Debbie Barrett. Listing and Civil Orders. Date, Monday, December 5, 2022, 15:20. 2. Bradford County, Inquiries. That is simply ridiculous. An appeal application cost £151 yet an amended to an order costs £275. This makes no sense other than it being a legalized extortion racket. Regards, Mr. S. Hussain.